Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Welcome back to English. Today we will continue learning more about using a or an. And remember, our theme for this week is Students' Challenge, and I have an exciting challenge for you in this video. Before we get started, our value of the month is honesty. Well done. The quality of always speaking the truth. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to remember when to use a or and we will also create some sentences with them. So let's get started. Right, we have 3 words in our vocabulary for today. The first word is vowels. Our vowels are A, E, I, O, U. The second word in our vocabulary is consonant, a sound of an alphabet that is not a vowel. And the last word we have is author. An author is a writer of a book or a story. Okay, for this lesson you will need your copybook and pencil. Now, let's recap together. Do you remember the 5 vowels? Well done! They are A, E, I, O, U. And do you remember what or how to use the words a or an? Let's look at it together. When do we use a? When the next word starts with a consonant sound. When do we use an? When the next word starts with a vowel sound. Well done. Now let's do some examples. Humpty Dumpty was a egg or an egg? Excellent. He was an egg because egg begins with a vowel. Tomorrow I am going to a party because party begins with a consonant. I always have an umbrella in my bag in case it rains. I always have a umbrella in my bag in case it rains. What do you think the correct word to use is? Well done, an umbrella. You can make a house out of snow. You can make an house out of snow. Remember to use the rule. Say it out aloud. Does it sound correct? You can make a house out of snow. Well done. Which is called an igloo. Why? Because igloo begins with a vowel. Excellent work. Now here I have a game for you. You can spin the wheel and see which letter or which word it lands on. That way you can decide, will you use a before egg or an before egg? And write a sentence for me in your copybook using that word. Now it's time for our challenge. Do you remember the theme of the week? Students' Challenge. Well done. So, how many words can you think of that need a or an before them? You have 2 minutes. Click the start button when you are ready. Now, before we end this video, as always, I have a challenge that is just right for you. Choose any one of these questions that you feel comfortable with and write the answers down for me in your copybook. Then you can go ahead and click the link to this awesome live worksheet, and I will see you in the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum.